Let's look at this question now. It is given that 4x square minus 9 is a factor of 16x square x raised to the power 4 minus 8x cube plus 4px square minus 2qx minus 54. Find the value of 2p square upon 3 minus q. Okay, if it is a factor, then if we equate it to 0 and if we find the values of x, it would be plus minus 3 by 2. So if this is a factor of this equation of this polynomial, then if we put x is equal to plus 3 by 2 or minus 3 by 2, it should become 0, right? So let's put at x equal to 3 by 2, right? So px would be equal to p by 3 by 2 must be equal to 0, which means 16 into 3 raised to the power 4, 81. 2 raised to the power 4, 16 minus 8 into 3 raised to the power 3, 27. 2 raised to the power 3, 8 plus 4p into 9 upon 4 minus 2q into 3 by 2 minus 54 should be equal to 0. Now this is 81. Now this is 27. Now this is 9p. This is 3q. So I'm getting 9p minus 3q should be equal to 2754. 27 plus 54. I need to add these. So this is 70 and 81. 81 get cancelled. So I'm getting 9p minus 3q is equal to 0. Okay. So I'm getting q is equal to 3 times p from here. Now let's put x equal to minus 3 by 2. Right. So p of minus 3 by 2 should also become 0. 16 into 81 upon 16 minus minus plus 8 into 27 by 8. And this is 4p into x square 9 upon 4 minus minus plus 2 into q into 3 by 2 minus 54 should become 0. This get cancelled, this get cancelled, this get cancelled, this get cancelled. 81 and 27 minus 54 become minus 27, and this get cancelled, become 54. So I'm getting 9p plus 3q is equal to minus 54, right? Q is equal to 3p. So 9p plus 9p is equal to minus 54. So I'm getting 18p as minus 54. So getting the value of p as minus 3. If p is minus 3, I'm getting q as minus 9. So what is the value of 2p square? Minus 3 whole square. Divide by 3 minus q, minus of minus 9. That become 2 into 9 by 3 plus 9. 3 times 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 9 is 15. So the required expression is equal to 15.